Africa Content TV.
Oh, I shall do. Chief Dotto to this channel see.
Thank you. Neighbor, Professor Olukunle Inyanda. Professor Olukunle Inyanda. Professor Olukunle Inyanda. Mr. Wale Aribi. Professor Olukunle Inyanda. Professor Olukunle, Commonwealth scholar and international scholar. Professor Olukunle Inyanda, to read his citation is not that person than my sister, my wife. I get friend. I need you.
Olukunle ni mama pe o. Ọmọ Ìyàndá ni mama pe o. President is on the economic instrument. Falale Olukunle ni mama pe o. Ẹ̀gbọ́n Jídé. Ẹ̀gbọ́n Àbáyọ̀mí. Ọkọ̀ Bọ́lá Sunshine tó lè ní ọgbọ́n lọ́jọ́ sí. Ọmọ Ìyàndá ni wọ́n wà pé ó. Bí mo bá pè ẹ́ Olúwa, a ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́. Olúkunlé ni wọ́n wà pé ó. Bóyá mo ní kúnlé bọ̀bọ̀, kúnlé bọ̀bọ̀, óóó. Kúnlé bọ̀bọ̀, kúnlé bọ̀bọ̀, ọmọ Ìyàndá. Ọmọ ni kúnlé dànù, ọmọ ni Ìyàndá mi. Ọmọ ni Olúkunlé, ọmọ Olùjíkẹ́ o. Ọmọ ni o. Ọmọ ni wọn láti pẹ́. Ọmọ ni àwọn wọn nílé olóòlù. Ọmọ ni lóòrè ajé. Ọmọ ni ilé ìyá rẹ̀ o. Ọmọ ni Olúkunlé. Ọmọ ni Olúkunlé dànù. Ọmọ ni ọmọ Ìyàndá. Ọmọ ni Olúkunlé dànù. Ọmọ ni ọmọ Ìyàndá. Ọmọ ni o. Ọmọ ni bàbá mi o. Ọmọ ni o. Olúkunlé bàbá mi o. Ọmọ ni ẹ̀kọ́ sí òkè. Ọmọ ni Ìyàndá mi o. Ọmọ ni bàbá Jídé. Ọmọ ni Ìyàndá. Ọmọ ni bàbá. Ọmọ mi o. Ọmọ ni ẹ̀kọ́ sí òkè. Ọmọ ni Ìyàndá. Ọmọ ni Olúkunlé. Ọmọ ni Olùjíkẹ́ o. Ọmọ ni Olúkunlé o. Ọmọ ni
Olatito Joseph to present the citation of Professor Olukunle Inyanda.
Okay, Professor Olukunle Inyanda was born in Akinlade village on our local government on April 1st, 1940. The first son of Mr. Samuel Inyanda and Mrs. Areoye Oyeyiola Inyanda. His mother, Oyeyiola, was the second daughter of Wimenu Aje Ekarun and son of the great warrior Ayoride Aje of Odiaje fame. He started his primary education in 1945 at St. John's Primary School, Amosun, from where he transferred in 1949 as Standard 2 to St. Peter's Primary School, Aremobo in Ibadan. He finished his primary school in 1953 and immediately in January 1954, at the age of 13, commenced his teaching career as a pupil teacher. The small teacher, as he was fondly called, gained admission after a 2-year teaching sojourn in Olanla village to St. Luke's College, Molete, where he earned his teacher's grade 2 certificate in 1959. While teaching in Anglican Secondary Modern School, Bogon, he studied and obtained his GCE O-level and A-level in 1961 and 1962 respectively, utilizing SAVE to gain admission to the newly established University of Lagos in 1962 as a foundation student, graduating with second-class upper division in 1965. With a master's degree in 1968 and a PhD in 1975, both from prestigious New York University, USA, the stage was set for this illustrious son of Ibadan to be elected Dean of Faculty of Business Administration in August 1984. the first Unilag alumnus to be so elected, having been appointed professor earlier in March same year, being the second alumnus to be so appointed at the University of Lagos. He was on this post when he heeded the call of Ibadan land in 1988 and had to leave his prestigious seat as the Dean of Business Faculty at the university for the love of Ibadan land. He was drafted to the Polytechnic Ibadan as a rector by the then military governor to salvage our collective heritage there in Ibadan Polytechnic, which was witnessing students and staff unrest and was having a toll on its rating. He successfully restructured the institution's operation for efficiency and achieved stability of the troubled institution. He raised the bar and restored its traditional academic integrity. He then proceeded to serve the Nigeria Institute of Management, first as its Director General, 1991 to 1995, and later years as its President and Chairman of Council. In 1995, the small teacher of yesteryear was appointed by the Commonwealth Secretary of London as the founding dean of the Faculty of Management, Africa University in Utare, Zimbabwe, where he performed exceedingly well, prompting the Commonwealth Secretariat to grant him an unprecedented 3 terms. On completion of his assignment in Africa University, Zimbabwe, he was recruited by the University of Botswana, where he spent 10.5 years strengthening the study of management in their institution. At the Botswana University, Gaborone, he served in several committees of Senate and Council of the University and was appreciated with the Distinguished Researcher Award of the University. A few awards include Distinguished Service Award by the Institute of Marketing 2013, Icon of Marketing by the National Institute for Marketing 2012, Distinguished Researcher Award, University of Botswana 2010, Fellow, Nigeria Institute of Management 1998, Fellow, Marketing Association 1994, Distinguished Achievement Award, Oluyole of Lagos, Doyen of Marketing 2022. He was a mentor to many indigenous of Ibadan, amongst others while in service. It is of note that he was fully responsible for the education and career placement of his younger siblings and many others. He is a devout Christian of Anglican denomination. Married to Omotola Ni Omokitemi, who passed on to glory on June 14, 2007. The marriage is blessed with 3 children. Professor Inyonda is blessed with 3 children. I hereby present to this august gathering Professor Inyonda for the award of the most distinguished Ibadan indigene, MDII, in recognition of his eminence to the cause of Ibadan land. The President General, Prince Oluyemisi Yaga, will present the award.
It's not a strange land, occasion that I've been sent to present an award to my own uncle. Báwo ṣe fẹ́ sọ náà? Ṣé màmá àpọ̀yìn lè ní? Báyẹ̀ pé àpọ̀lé mo fẹ́ máa ṣe. Then, nǹkan tó mì ní wípé gbogbo àwọn dáadáa tẹ́ ti ṣe fèmí gangan ní màá sọ. Tó bá sì jẹ́ ti àwọn àbúrò mi ni, a jẹ́ pé gbogbo àwọn nǹkan dáadáa tẹ́ ti ṣe fáwọn àbúrò mi màá máa sọ. Tó bá sì jẹ́ pé àwọn èèyàn wa tó wà nílùú tẹ́ ti ṣe dáadáa fún àwọn amọ̀jọ́ tá a tó tán, but wọ́n ti ka citation, àwọn ka tiwọn. Ntí ò wá sínú citation gan pọ̀ ju ètò wà ń bẹ̀ lọ. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run yìí kó fi yín tọrẹ fún Ìbàdàn àti wípé ẹ jẹ́ ẹni tí ó ní ọ̀wọ́ rí lẹ́yìn. Oore ọ̀fẹ́ Ọlọ́run á máa bá yín gbé sà. Ìbùkún Ọlọ́run á máa wà pẹ̀lú yín. Nímọ̀ rírì oore, akànnì káfí lè ṣe àmì ẹ̀yẹ ní ìṣe pé bóyá ó tó àwọn nǹkan tẹ̀ ń ṣe, ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo wa nínú Ìbàdàn CCI àtonílé àti àlejò tọ́lọ́run ti ṣàdúrà fún tó sì ń gbè